Who sees this little pumpkin? Let's see. Cosmo, you want to turn around? It's our flower revealer, Cosmo. So today we're going to do something super easy, super fun. So Cosmo's going to do the flower reveal. Ready, Cos? Woo! All right, go trick-or-treating. So today we're going to make a really pretty easy arrangement. It's a pretty tight and compact arrangement. It's called Orange is the New Black. It's composed of all oranges and with accents of black. So there's not actual black flowers that exist in nature. There's some form of like a dark blue or a dark red and burgundy, but we call them black because it's close enough. So today we're gonna have orange roses, orange spray roses, orange carnations, and then this is the highlight, which is these orange pincushion, super hardy. I love these guys. And this one is particularly special. Look, it's a triplet that I'm gonna put right smack in the middle of the arrangement. And then we also have dark burgundy estrantia. That serves as our black. And then black scabiosa, super cute, and black ranunculus. So you can tell it's not that black, it's dark burgundy. So we're gonna get started. In this vase, it's a 5-inch wide by 5-inch tall. I just have water in here. There's nothing else, and we're not using any foliage or greenery today. So I usually make my low and lushes with a base of roses. So I put a layer of roses down. Let me take this leaf off. Cut it pretty short, so in a crisscrossing grid like this. So it looks kind of like it's gonna be small, but actually when you make the arrangement, it becomes pretty full. So what I'm doing is putting roses like this in a grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna go 5, 6, like that. And then I'll see if I want to continue on with roses, or if oh, I know, I'm gonna do spray roses next. Like that. So it's pretty even right now. And then I'm going to add in my spray roses to help create a little bit more texture and break up the roses that we have, the rose heads. So there's smaller ones and there are larger regular rose heads. This one I'm gonna cut like this, stick in here. So as you can tell, the flowers are already starting to stand because the stems are starting to do this now and then create a grid inside for us to continue arranging. So now I'm gonna fill it in with carnations and fill in the holes. Spin it around. There are a lot of holes, but it'll get filled up pretty quickly. So how I cut like this, and then you kind of measure it to where you want it to go, and then it should reach all the way to the bottom of the vase. If it doesn't, it's okay, as long as it's touching water. And if you replenish the water, and if you keep adding the water, then you know, throughout the week to make it last longer, you should be good. So I went back to the roses. Now I'm gonna go into my pincushion. So let me just stick one over here. It's quickly filled out, see? And then use my monster mutant pincushion right here. Give it a cut. Okay, on the bias, that sideways cut. And stick it right in the middle. Oh, maybe I cut a little short. But so I'm gonna stick it actually right in the middle so that it stands up. And now it's supported by the other flowers, so it's not gonna move. Continue on with my roses to fill in the holes, which you see right here. And then this is my last and final rose. I used about 9. I see a hole here. That's perfect for this particular rose. Okay, I have 2 carnations left. The carnations are pretty tight. They just came in this morning. But I didn't open it or blow it up or anything, blow it to open it, because they'll slowly just open throughout the week. Okay, so the arrangement is pretty, here, I'll show you. You know, it's pretty simple. It's all closed up pretty much, and now I'm gonna put in my accents of estrantia. So this, I'm gonna cut it off right here. I'll leave that one there, a little shorter, and put in my little black cute accents. I am gonna use this, oh no, actually I'll cut it because it broke. I'm gonna stick it in anyway. And then go in here. I'm gonna make 2 stems out of this, so cut it right here and then use this too. So super easy. When you keep practicing, you know, this over and over again, this comes very easy and quick. Okay, so those are my black accents. Okay, and then my scabiosas, I'm gonna keep it a little taller to sort of have a little more gesture, I guess. And these should continue opening, like popping open. Okay, and then my final ranunculus, I'll keep you like right here. Okay, so that pretty much took no time. And it's a very simple arrangement. And I'll give you the top view. Right? Cute. And easy. It didn't take too much. And you can set this in the middle of the table, your dining table, maybe for Halloween. You could go grab some orange roses and carnations and anything else that you find at the grocery store. I know Trader Joe's and Whole Foods has like a good selection for very affordable prices, and you can go out and try it yourself. So thank you so much for joining, you guys, and I will see you next week. Happy Halloween. Bye.